owned business. So this outfit is brought to you by, today I am dressed by nachizafrica. She has crossed the border to come and make sure she powers up Kenyans with very beautiful custom-made designs. So give it up for nachizafrica. Shop this look also. Scan the QR code, find out details, sizing codes, and so much more. And then we have Tee Plush. She said you have to put some respect in it. Very beautiful and prestigious name. And she has just the skincare product you need to keep acne away and have ever glowing skin. Welcome to another episode. I'm going to be inviting two powerful women to have two powerful conversations. And I'm going to start off with Nachi. She has a very long name, but she's going to explain when she comes, because if I say it, I'll trip and fall down. Nachi. Okay. Yes. Welcome to shop.digger.
Thank you so much.
And thank you for dressing me.
You're
I
welcome.
absolutely love my outfit.
You're welcome.
So tell me about yourself. Why Kenya? I know you're not Kenyan.
I am Kenyan.
You're Kenyan. You were born here. You have
Yes.
a very interesting name.
I do.
It's an African name.
It's an African name.
She says it's China. Opposite.
Opposite of China. We are going to revolutionize the China market and all.
I love it. So do you design your outfits yourself, Nachi?
I do. All these pieces are handmade.
Yes.
From scratch.
Wow.
And actually all these pieces, it's me who's made them personally.
Okay,
from
wait. Pole,
Yes.
pole.
Okay.
You draw the sketches.
Yes.
You have a vision in your mind. You draw your sketch.
Yes.
And you take the fabric to a tailor and you sit next to them.
No.
You sit behind the machine, the
Yes.
sewing machine.
Yes. Myself.
End to end.
Yes.
Do you have employees?
I recently got one. Thank
love
God
that.
our brand is growing. So I currently have one tailor.
When someone hears something that is custom made, they imagine a lot of money.
Yes.
Do you have different maybe fabrics and designs and things that cater to different people in various categories of life? Maybe someone who doesn't have a lot of money,
Yeah.
and somebody who is wanting to look and feel flamboyant and not
Yes.
spare any coin.
Yes. Yes, we do.
Yes.
We have pieces that cover like everyone. Pieces for everyone. We have pieces from as low as 2,500 and pieces to pesa yenye budget yako inafika.
Unataka hata nikikupatia 1 million utatafuta tu
Ukinipatia
nguo.
1 million nitakutengenezea nguo. Yes.
She's very Kenyan.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've done DNA test. So let's talk about this outfit. This looks very beautiful and also expensive.
Kidogo.
Kidogo.
Yeah.
So what should somebody look out for when they're looking for a custom-made designer like yourself?
I think before you customize an outfit, you should know yourself, or rather, I actually help people to get to know themselves and complement their body types, because we have different body types, and most people are usually scared of their tummies. So like this
Most
outfit
people is me. I am the one she's talking about.
Okay, so you see like this outfit, it's a corset. The top is a corset, the chini one is a skirt.
Yeah.
And it will look good on anyone, literally,
Yes.
whether you have a tummy or not, because this one will cinch you, and this skirt has room for any tummy if at all you are...
A nice dress for a party so you can eat
Yes.
everything because it's free.
Yes.
And not show.
And it has pockets. I love pockets. I know how much ladies love pockets. So
Yes.
I always try to put a pocket or two in all outfits.
Yes.
And you can see the details
beautiful.
on the outfit, roses and everything.
Beautiful. So I can come and buy something and pick it off the rack, nalipa, and then I go with it.
Yes. We've been working with customized outfits,
Yes.
but currently tuna try to explore the ready-to-wear market.
Please.
So pole pole tu tuna add pieces. Like here I have a piece.
Yeah.
You see like this dress.
Yeah.
It's a ready-to-wear. It's so flattery. Ukiona hivi, I don't know kama unaiona, but
It's so gorgeous. Even the
yes,
colors.
Yes.
Even the colors.
Plus ikona hizi
Drawstrings.
Yeah. So if at all you feel umeongeza
fit
1
in.
inch or umetoa, it will fit you. So tuna
Nice.
yeah.
You really like color. You're not afraid of color.
I'm trying to actually. I'm actually a black and white gray person, but sasa nimeanza ku-embrace because
Hata mimi najaribu.
You good?
My
Yeah.
favorite color is black, but I am wearing red pants. Look at that.
And you look gorgeous.
And I
Kabisa.
feel gorgeous as well. I just feel like what did you call this?
A corset.
A corset is just what every woman needs. It feels so good. Like I just
agree.
want to just walk around niende church nayo kesho,
Ulale
ulale
nayo.
nayo.
Yeah.
It's so girly and feminine. Maybe I want a short dress like the Ankara one.
Yes.
That you just showed us. How much would that cost me?
That one will go for 2,500.
I love that.
Yes.
I love that. 2,500.
Yes.
Let's go to something more formal and complicated, because this looks like it's complicated.
It is.
Pinstripes.
Yes.
Nimepick kwa sababu pinstripes people assume are very serious. Are very, unajua inakaa C-suit,
Yes.
executive business, executive CEO somewhere. How much would something like this cost?
So our suits go from 5,000 kuendelea depending na design na fabric. Hii ukiangalia it's actually a suit but it is one-armed. Iko na mkono mmoja, iko na this cutting to flatter this part. Hii mkono nyingine iko open and this one drapes around your shoulder. So we always play with, like tuna play to around the female body. Kufanya mtu feel more sexy, more flattery and all that.
I love that.
Yeah,
so your suits don't have to, hey, Majenzi, I'm so sorry, we are sorry. Suits zilikuwa tu zimekaa, zikaambiwa zitachangiwa.
Yeah.
I love it. So that's really nice. And let's talk about this colorful outfit, for example. Maybe someone wants something different. Do you make things for men?
Yes, we do.
Yes.
Yes.
Kama mimi na bwana yangu tunataka outfit machi.
Yeah. Actually, we make fancy men wear. Sio tu hizi zenye tumezoea kwa market.
Yes.
We are different.
I love that. So I hope you're going to, when we've onboarded Nachiz Africa onto shop.digger.co.ke, our e-commerce platform. So I hope she's going to be uploading things for men as well. So that you can have a look at the shirts, maybe pants, if she has kaftans. Indio?
Yes.
Unapata tu new design, unatuuploadia pictures hapo kwa shop.digger, so that somebody who is watching us from Kisumu, Kakamega, someone who is watching us from Kitui can have the chance to buy, alafu hii mzigo yako. Hakuna mtu tunapatia wanduthi mahali. Unaelewa? Lakini there's no problem with anduthi person, but we handle your mzigo ourselves. There's no third party. Unaona nguo ni very delicate. Some of your fabrics are very, very sensitive. We make sure we handle them well, we package them well, and then we courier them via standard courier. Standard courier iko hapa nje, nitakuonesha hapa tu. Ukipita hii nyasi hapa hivyo ma waterfall. Standard courier iko hapa within these premises. Yes, and then we make sure these clothes go within 48 hours. To anybody who has bought them. I love that. Let's talk about what we have there on the dummy. That is very beautiful and very unique. How much is a suit like that going to cost?
My suits start from 5K.
5K.
Now it will depend with the choice of fabric.
And the design.
And the design, and if there's any embellishments or things like those. Like for this, it's a blazer dress. And it has embellishments. You can see here and around the shoulder. So for additional details, we can always negotiate the pricing.
I love that. But everything, mtu akikuja sema nataka mshono, like I want a design that someone else probably has. You don't have a problem with that?
No.
Okay.
No, we do not. If you want to look like so and so, go for it.
Nikwambie, mimi nakuanga napenda ule demo wa hotspot. KTN. Nataka ile outfit amevaa hiyo tu vile iko head to toe. You'll make for me a clear fit like that.
Exactly. Like tunafanyanga copy paste.
She's singing to the choir, and we absolutely love that we have finally onboarded you and your beautiful designs. I hope we'll keep seeing you on our e-commerce platform, which is our digital mall. And don't be afraid, Nunua 3 days delivery time, and then turnaround time, and then 48 hours to deliver to your doorstep via standard courier. Thank you so much. Have a terrific weekend, and 2 more designs.
Amen. Thank
and
you.
More color.
Asante.
Thank you, Nachi. So we're going to take a short break, a little breather. You can go and sip on some juice and come back ready to give your skin that glow it so much deserves. Unajua December ni kukula machapo na mapilau. It's not good for your face. So let's keep acne at bay with Plush, Tee Plush, right here on KTN. See you in a few.
People are even shooting themselves, they're even killing themselves.
On 27th October 2025, The Standard highlighted the story of Kenyans trapped in Russia. After the publication, sources reached out to KTN laying bare a covert recruitment ring. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs acknowledged the crisis.
We have been engaging through diplomatic channels.
I will be speaking to these sources that reached out to KTN and pieced together the silent yet deadly trafficking network that has preyed on vulnerable young Kenyans.
There were a lot of complex negotiations that took place. One of them involved the former president of the Republic of Kenya, the fourth president, and that is Uhuru Kenyatta.
Wanaharakati Bob Njagi na Nicholas Oyo waachiliwa huru na kurudi nchini kutoka Uganda, wakimpongeza rais mstaafu Uhuru Kenyatta kwa kuingilia kati.
Hilo jambo nafikiria ni jambo pengine hatujawahi kuona kwa nchi yetu kwa muda mrefu sana.
Shughuli za kuitafuta mili kwenye maporomoko ya Marakwet zinaendelea, huku ujumbe wa viongozi mbalimbali wakizuru familia zilizoathiriwa. Msako mkubwa uendelea nchini Tanzania dhidi ya waandamanaji siku moja baada ya kuibuka habari kwamba maelfu waliuliwa kwenye mauaji hayo. Na serikali yatakiwa kuipa kipaumbele kaunti ya Mombasa kwenye ufadhili wa ununuzi wa ardhi kutoka kwa miliki na kuwapa maskota katika kaunti hiyo.
Hapa ndo mahali tumezaliwa, tumekulia, tumelelewa, tumeoa, tunapiga kura. So we have no any other homes.
Back with Tee Plush, a very beautiful handcrafted organic skincare range. Now, Tee is for Tanya, Plush is the luxury that your skin deserves. So let's have the CEO come on stage and let's have a discussion about what is good for your skin and what have you been doing. Come to the shop. Karibu sana, shop.digger.
Asante sana. First of all, let us get some water. I show you something.
You want to show me something?
I want to show you
something. See how she just comes, she's taken over. She wants to show me something. How much is it going to cost me? Every time someone tells me that, I know I'm going to part with some money. Tanya,
yes.
Can I tell you the reason why I already trust your skincare?
Tell me.
I give you a little secret. Because me, I'm in sales. There's no way in hell you're selling me a skincare range. Na umekuja hapa beat face kama mimi.
Imagine.
Najua skin yako si mzuri.
Hata kwanza nitoe hizi ya ngulo.
Umejipaka tu, mbona una shine umeingia ndani ya hizi oil zako kabla hujakam?
Yes.
She is glowing. She doesn't even have a dot of powder.
Nothing. Just my products on my face and me as the owner. Today I didn't come with all of my products, but you guys, I have a lot, not many, kidogo too, but a lot that can help you.
Powerful products.
Yes.
Few but powerful.
Yes, because I'm dealing with acne, hyperpigmentation, dry, dull skin.
Yes.
Do you have oily skin? I can also help you. Just the normal stuff.
Yeah.
Now we have this product called Castle Powder.
Yes.
I discovered this product from the Somali women.
Yes.
These people know how to take care of their
And
skin.
none of them have bad skin.
Yes.
Yes.
So when I discovered this, it has become a bestseller in my shop. But there was a big problem.
Yeah.
First, before you even go to the problem, people don't know how to differentiate between real castle and fake castle. And I'm going to show you how to do a test. Even if you don't buy from me and you buy from another person, you'll be able to know. So you take a
Tanya
little.
is the baddest. We love you.
You take a little of the powder, put it on your palm.
Yeah.
And then you have water here.
Yes.
You have to activate the soap with water.
Yeah.
You put a little bit of water like that. Can you see?
Yeah.
Just like that.
Do for me. We use your hand.
Okay.
So that I can touch your other things. Let me
So,
see what happens.
You can also just add it here.
Yeah.
It's okay. Then you mix it into a paste.
Yeah.
Normally, if it's a fake castle, it will definitely mix into a paste. But the next process is what you're interested in, because that's what will show you if it's real or not.
Wow.
After it's mixed in a paste, you just do it because it's a powder. Ukianza kuirab kama ujeka into a paste, it will be all over the place.
Yeah.
And you want to avoid that. And then you start just rubbing it gently.
Yeah.
And what you're going to see is, after a while, it's becoming soapy. Can you see?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's lathering.
Yes. Can you see? So if your castle powder does not do this,
then you have not bought.
Yes.
Umebuy sand nini powder.
Ama moringa.
Umebuy moringa.
So this is what we use, organic things.
Oh
like,
my God. Oh, so it can also be a wash.
It has also changed, yes. You can use it as a mask, as a scrub, or as a face wash. But the problem is people don't know how to use it, but this one is just simple.
Yeah.
You mix it. If it's a mask, you apply it, you don't rub it. If it's a scrub, you scrub. It has some little particles.
Yeah.
This thing just comes from a tree. Imagine these are leaves.
And what kind of skin type do you have to use castle powder?
Any.
Oily combination?
Yes, it works for all skin types. It is very mild. Even you can use this. Let's say you are a mom and you have a daughter and you want to just make sure that you guys are bonding. You can use this as a bonding thing. You teach your daughter how to take care of herself, how to do masking. But because it's non-toxic, it's okay. It doesn't have any chemicals, so your kid will be okay. So my hands are messy. We'll ignore that.
Yeah. We'll get you some wipes. They will fly into the set.
Now on to the next step. The reason why I showed you this is because I have introduced a new formula, whereby if you do not want to go through this whole process,
because it feels like sometimes it's a lot. You know, I've come from work. I'm tired.
It is.
Can I tell you something? I have castle powder at home.
How many years?
Ask me how many times I've used it.
How many times?
Imagine.
So I realized.
But I didn't know I can do that, because that feels faster than taking a bowl.
Yeah, you just use your hands. Yeah, you just use your hands. With skincare, let me tell you, don't go buying sidri, something to help you wash your face. Use your hands. Use your hands. It will always work. Yeah. And with skincare, the process is usually a cleanser, moisturizer, and protection. That's the simplest.
What is the shelf life on castle powder?
2 years.
2 years.
2 years.
Guy, I hope umescan QR code na umesha buy, ndio tumeanza kupack inakuja uko mali unaishi. Tana River 48 hours.
Hata unaweza tumia watu abroad na wataka nayo.
2 years.
2 years.
You can travel with it. It's very nice and such a small pack, but very packed with a lot of power.
Yes.
Tell me about this. This is, I'm going to be your dummy because your hands are dirty and I have no tap on my set. No liquids allowed.
Yes. So I came up with a formulation where I turned the castle into a bar soap now, so that I know people, I know my clients, and I know you guys, you're so lazy, but I want you to have good skin. Like, my goal is to make sure everyone is confident in their skin, because when your skin is not looking good, I know you don't show up as your authentic self.
True.
You really struggle. You're trying to hide. You're even putting hairstyles, wearing hoodies. I don't want you to do that.
Yeah.
So I want you to just go into the shower, take that bar soap, wash your face and your body. And your body.
Convenience is the word. It does not get better than this. Is a game changer,
yes.
Tanya.
So that's what I wanted to introduce you guys.
Do you formulate yourself?
I do all these things myself. For the castle, basically I
You're
can
not
say
the tree.
I'm not the tree.
Yeah, nobody makes
but I
it.
have
God
to
made
dry
it.
the leaves and grind them and make it into a powder,
Yeah,
right?
so that you make sure it's authentic castle.
Yes.
Let's talk about the serums. This is the Tee Plush Glow Serum.
Yes.
Why would someone need to use this? What type of skin should someone have so that they can enjoy the benefits of this product?
Basically, all my products are for all skin types. I wanted to be very...
one size fits all.
Yes, I don't want to have a oily, but I can also just recommend from the line which one will best suit you. Yes. For the glow serum, it's for a person who wants to have glowing skin. Very radiant, very smooth and tight. The things I've put in that serum, I have anti-aging properties that make sure you heal your skin.
I love
so
that.
if you have stretch marks, if you continue using this oil over and over again, it will continue tightening your skin as it fades the marks. It helps you fade dark spots as well.
It smells nice.
Yes, it helps you fade dark spots, tighten your skin, brighten, and give your skin that natural glow that, when you walk around. Since morning, I've not done anything else to my face or to my skin. So as you can see, the glow is still there.
Na vile watu wanatuambianga glow ni pesa, sasa hii tunajua ni castle powder things. And then how much is the bar soap?
The bar soap is 700 shillings.
700 shillings.
500 shillings.
The reason is interchangeably, or,
yes,
or you can just buy one, or you can even have both.
Why have one when you can have both?
I love it.
The reason why the soap is 700 is because it doesn't have castle alone. I use a base called glycerin.
Yes.
So glycerin is very hydrating. So if you add it with castle powder, you get hydrating properties, you get evening skin tone properties and antibacterial properties as well.
I love that. And organic rose water. How much is your rose water?
300 bob only.
300 shillings only.
Very
and rose water is
affordable.
Nice for your face, to tone your skin.
You can use it
on my hair too.
You can use rose water for a lot of things. I use it as a makeup setting spray.
Yeah.
I use it as a toner. I use it even to formulate products like as a base. I use it so much in my
so it's a must-have in any girl's routine.
What I usually say about rose water that people don't understand is it's a toner and it helps hydrate. If you're having sunburns, or it will cool down your face. But the most important fact is after you've washed your face, your pH balance is off the roof. Now so it balances it, because when your pH is balanced, all the other products that you're going to apply afterwards are going to help you. But if your pH is off and you apply any other products, you've wasted those products. They're not going to do anything for your skin.
I love
so
that.
It helps the products penetrate deeper and deeper into your skin so that you can get all the nourishment.
Hey, she knows her stuff. She's not even messing. And then you have two serums. You have the Glow Serum, rich blend of organic cold pressed oils, and then you have Hydra Boost Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Skincare is health care. I love that.
Yes.
What's the difference?
The difference is this is a water-based serum and this is an oil-based serum. Water-based serum, hydration. Hydration. So anyone suffering from dry skin, cracking skin, like ni dry hadi inatoa scales, aging skin, it plumps your face so that your fine lines are not going to be visible, and it helps you attract moisture from the environment to your skin so that even during the day you will not sweat out all your moisture. It will retain it inside. So that's the basic point of that serum.
And this oil-based serum?
Oil-based serum makes sure that you are glowing, even skin tone, and helps you fade dark spots.
I love that you're your own guinea pig. That's what I love about local products and handmade products, you know, because you used all these things yourself first before you introduced us to them. Tanya, you are such a glowing beauty and we love your products as well. You can buy all these products via shop.digger, scan the QR code, visit shop.digger.co.ke. I hope you're going to extend into different lines and more products. So
we have a lot coming in. And I can just say that one thing I want is for men to also just start taking care of their skin so that they can teach their sons as well, who will end up teaching their daughters, their nieces. You know, we need the whole community taking care of their skin, guys. Let us all glow and help grow our businesses. Like, this is Kenyan, this is African. All these products were grown in our planet, in our continent, and God gave us for free. So let's be there so that also we can extend this so that people who are like the most amazing customer I've ever had
Yeah.
was a blind and deaf person, and realizing that they need skincare too was a game changer for me. And I would like that we can create so much products, and we want to include them so that they know, because I cannot be explaining to a deaf person.
True,
I want them to be able to feel the product, read
the product
it.
should speak for itself.
Yes. So
love it.
skincare is for everyone.
Skincare
is for everyone.
Tanya knows best. And welcome again to Tee Plush, all your skincare needs. And I don't want to forget our sister here, Nachi. Thank you, Nachi's Africa, for dressing me. You can shop this look via shop.digger, scan the QR code, and can't wait for you to look and feel great with these and so much other made in Kenya products with you in mind. See you next Saturday as we give you an opportunity to shop.
Till you drop.
Till you drop.